Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to cuff your jeans and look amazing. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a pair of jeans right here, and I want to cuff them to sort of create this raised, relaxed look. Really easy to do. Now, first and foremost, this works well if your jeans are relatively tight. If your jeans are loose, what you can do when you cuff them is a specific method where you fold them over and then you cuff them, okay? But I'm not gonna show you that in this video because I'm gonna assume that you're gonna be wearing jeans that are, relatively tight. They don't have to be super tight, but relatively tight. What you wanna do is you wanna create first a small fold outward in the jean, okay? Like that, something like that. Now, I've seen a lot of people do this and walk around like this, and the only reason why I'm not a fan of this specific look is because you see the actual loop over of the seam right there, and I don't like it. I mean, when I cuff my jeans, I want to see the interior color of the jeans completely through. So I always recommend that you do another cuff. So a second roll like that, roughly the same length as your first roll, just like that, okay? And that's what it should look like, give or take, okay? Now, it should be a little bit higher up. I'm kneeling over so my jeans are a little bit stretched. But that's how I like to wear my jeans if I'm wearing flip-flops or sandals or something like that. But I also like to, if I'm going to the beach or something, or if it's a nice summer day and I want to really pull it off, I'll roll it one more time and go a little bit higher. And that is what looks to be a great look for wearing jeans. Very simple. Now you can see the cuff gets a little bit bigger as I roll it higher up because more fabric is accumulating. But the key is to only make it get slightly bigger. If I just jump to a huge cuff, then it's going to come loose. You want the fabric inside of here to remain tight. So that's why I started with a very small fold and I continued rolling it up. I've seen people go an additional one, and this is fine too. But for me, I got my calves. It's starting to get tight on the calves. It's not my style. Okay, but this still looks great. It's just not my own preference for wearing them like that. I prefer the 2-fold or the 3-fold. And that's it. It's literally that simple. That is how to cuff your jeans and look amazing. This has been a very, very easy and simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.